Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install CapCut on your Android device. Let's get started. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe this channel, and your like is very important for us. Watch this video till the end and comment me if you need CapCut Pro account access. Comment is essential. First, go to Google Chrome or any other web browser. Once it's open, go to the search bar at the top and type CapCut APK. You'll see the websites appear in the search results. Open the second one and scroll down it until you find the download button. Now tap download button. The download will begin, so wait for it to finish. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few moments. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install on your device. After it's installed, you'll see an open button. Tap on it to launch CapCut. When the app opens for the first time, it might ask for permissions to access your photos, media, and files. Make sure to allow these permissions so you can easily edit your videos. And there you go. CapCut is now ready to use on your Android device. You can start a new project, import your videos, and get creative with your edits. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you